Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to delete your account or to delete your Lumosity account. First of all, after you install Lumosity or if you have it already, you just click on the Lumosity account and access to it. Here in the bottom, in the menu or the little menu in the bottom, you will find the 3 points icon or the more information icon. Here it will pop up a menu that has some tabs or reminders and some parameters of the application. We are interested in the account settings, and here we are going to click here. As you can see, it will pop up the account menu or the account tab. Down, we will find the logout option and red colored or in the red color text, we will find the delete account. After clicking on it, it will give you a notification or a confirmation message if you want to delete account. After you are going to click OK, your account will be deleted and you will have to log in again after you are going to delete it. In my case, I don't want to delete the account, so I'm going just to click cancel and make in consideration that after deleting your account, all your data are going to be deleted too, so you cannot recover them. So when you will create a new account with the same email, you will just have to play or all your states were going to be lost. And then after that, you will have to log in again and restart the Lumosity activity or the trials from the beginning. So those are the steps to delete your account on Lumosity. Thank you for watching and goodbye.